Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down your Xbox One S and unplugging everything. This prevents shorting. Once unplugged, remove any external drives and place the console on a padded, static-free surface. Use a Torx T8 to remove the screws at the bottom. Go slowly to avoid stripping. Then, employ a thin plastic pry tool to lift the top shell. You do this first because internal mounts and connectors are delicate. Being methodical now saves time later when you reach the drive bay. Once the shell is off, locate the 2.5 hard drive assembly and identify the SATA connector. You will unplug the cable by wiggling gently while pulling straight out. Do not yank. Next, remove the drive from its bracket by unscrewing the mounting screws and keep track of their positions. Insert the replacement HDD or SSD into the bracket in the same orientation so the connector lines up. Finally, reconnect the SATA power and data cable firmly to the new drive. After installing the drive, reattach the top shell and tighten screws snugly. Make sure clips align. Reconnect HDMI and power, then boot the Xbox One S. You may be prompted to format or apply a system restore. Follow on-screen instructions to reinstall firmware and transfer profiles. If the console fails to detect the drive, power down and reseat the SATA connector. Verify the drive model is compatible, and try cloning the original to the new drive again. That troubleshooting step fixes most recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.